morning. Day 2 has started not on the greatest of ways. It is an absolute downpour here in East Texas. So the traffic's gonna get a little slow. I checked the traffic, and just outside of Houston, there's about an hour and a half delay due to a bad car accident. So yeah, so I'm just kind of taking it easy. I was trying to get out of the hotel. My plan was to leave at 8:30. That was my original plan. So if I can stick to that plan, that would be great. It's about 7:30 in the morning right now. I was hoping to leave now, but what's the point of getting in the car just to sit in downpour of rain and an hour and a half delay? So I'm gonna go downstairs, get myself some breakfast, get the car packed, try to stay as dry as I can. I don't want to mess up my hair, and hit the road. So hopefully if the weather picks up, if the weather improves a little bit, I'll have a chance to do some recording later. If not, today's vlog is going to be very short. Alright, I've made it to my first stop of the day. It was just a rest area here along I-10, Colorado County, rest area they call it. You can hear the traffic rolling behind me here on Interstate 10. Traffic's flowing good. I'm finally out of the rain. I drove for about 2 hours through solid downpours. Not a fun way to start the day, especially when you got to clear all of Texas, but hopefully now it'll be smooth sailing the rest of the way all the way to El Paso. So this is the rest area, kind of give you a little bit of a view of it. It's a pretty nice place. It's been a good place to stop and have a picnic, I think, if you're on a long road trip. You got the whole family with you. I made my second stop of the day. I'm here in Luling, Texas at Buc-ee's. If you're not sure what Buc-ee's is, it's a giant gas station / convenience store. They're all over in Texas. There's one actually in Alabama now, and there's one coming to the Daytona Beach area of Florida. I'm not sure when that one's supposed to open. Looking forward to having one closer to home. I stopped here. They got not necessarily the cheapest gas I've seen. Usually their gas is pretty cheap, but I guess for this area, close to San Antonio, it's kind of cheap. But inside the store, I didn't film anything inside the store because it's just way too crowded. I'm running behind schedule because of the rain this morning in Houston. I heard they got about 6 inches of rain in about 6 hours. The roads are flooded all over. I'm glad I got out of there when I did. So just to take a look at the size of this parking lot, this is the parking lot. I'm in Buc-ee's parking lot. They've got, I don't know how many gas pumps. They've got cheap ice, cheap drinks. You can get a 32-ounce drink for like 69 cents, I believe it is, or 59 cents. Just very cheap items. You see the interstate's right there, so it's literally right off the interstate here in Luling, Texas. So if you're heading this way, it's a very good place to stop to get a cheap eats. Good snacks. They're famous for their beaver nuggets. I tried those in the past. I thought they were a little too sweet. This time I went for a pulled pork sandwich, and that was a very good pulled pork sandwich. I enjoyed that very, very much. And I got some caramel corn, which my wife and I will try, and my daughter, when we all meet up in San Francisco in a few days. I've made my next stop. I am somewhere in the middle of Texas. I have no idea exactly where I'm at. I'm about 2 hours east of Fort Stockton. I'm gonna stop in Fort Stockton. I should be able to make it there on the gas that I got, grab myself some dinner, and keep on marching on. The interstate over here is just rolling. It's a pretty nice little rest stop that I'm at. They got barbecue grills, as you can see here. Got barbecue grills, pavilions. The pavilions are decorated to look like old wagon wheels, which is kind of neat. Just gonna take a quick walk out here close to the side of the road. Being cooped up in the car all day, second of 3 long days, it kind of takes a toll on you after a little while. The other side of the highway has the same exact rest area set up over there. That's I-10 eastbound. Texas is a big state. It's 850 plus miles, and I'm 300 and something to go, I believe, I have left in the state. So I've got myself still another 5-6 hours. I'm gonna have a late night tonight, but I knew that going into this. Just gotta push through, get through today. Another kind of 12 or 13 hour day tomorrow, and then I got a nice 4-hour day on Friday, and then I'll be meeting up with the rest of the family. Alright, see you down the road. Texas. I am just west of the junction of Interstate 20 and Interstate 10. It's where Interstate 20 dead ends and Interstate 10. Very, very pretty here. Very nice views. Man, I just went through one hell of a rainstorm. It was dropping hail that was about the size of gumballs or something, man, because it was smashing the hell out of my car. But I made it through in one piece, that's what matters. Now I'm just heading down the road to the next junction. I got 181 miles to the New Mexico border, so El Paso's going to be coming up in about a little under 3 hours. Alright, good evening, good evening. As you can see, it's kind of getting dark outside. I've been driving all day since Beaumont, Texas. I finally left Texas. 800 plus miles down the drain. I don't want to show you guys something. Check out where I'm at. Yes, I made it to New Mexico. I don't know how many times in my life I've been to New Mexico. This is at least the third time in about the last 6 years. I've been doing a lot of traveling, like I said. I'm heading my way to Las Cruces to go up to my hotel, but I kind of wanted to share the fact that I had made it here. I don't know if it picks up in the camera or not, the mountains in the distance. Like I said, it's dark, so it doesn't always show up the greatest. But looking back, you see where that McDonald's and gas station and whatnot is. That is Texas. So I'm just past the border here. But about to hop back in the car, get the rest of these about 20 miles, 25 miles left that I have to do so I can get to my hotel and get some sleep, because I am tired. I've been driving all day, 2 days in a row. I've done, I think, about 1,700 miles in 2 days, so yeah, I need to get some rest. All right, I'll see you when I get to the hotel.